So this is demo of our commercial vending machine that accepts payments by Lightning Network, and I will describe how it works. So this is a vending machine controller. It connected to our self-made device. This is MDB connector, and just Raspberry Pi that contains all logic of payment processing. So when I press the button, when I choose a product, vending machine controller sends to our device item number and also price. Then we convert it to Satoshi and generate QR code on the LCD screen. So let's get it started and see how it's work. So now we get QR code, and let's try to scan it in our application. And pay it. So that's all.